Focus Friend by Hank Green, ADHD friendly focus timer. Going viral, this app. Presenting Focus Friend cozy focus timer. When you focus, your bean friend will focus. Let your bean complete their work and get prizes to buy decorations. If you interrupt your bean by turning off the timer, they will be really sad. Complete your focus session and this cute bean will give you prizes to buy decorations to help furnish their room. Live activity, defocus mode, break timers, hundreds of decorations, bean skins. So that's what it is. Earn decoration, block apps, focus, and break timers. So here, there's just you can double click to install it. And then you can just open it up. You can allow notifications and then so now here is the app. You've seen the description in there, and then you just have focus, and then it's kind of like Pomodoro technique. You can easily swipe the timer. Start, defocus mode is off. Then you can just start it, and then this bean is kind of knitting, and then that's basically your focus time in here. So that's what it is. Then you have you can add some item, but you need to purchase it with the with socks, or you just need to purchase it. So yeah, that's basically what it is. And that's where you have it. So you can just see the shop in the details, and then you have edit bean, and then that's where you have it. So something like that.